So, Justin, Bybit just tweeted about their listing of this particular project called RPK. And I made a video about this particular project not some months ago on how to participate and earn their XP token. And 2 days ago, Bybit just made their first tweet about them listing it on their spot trading by 14th of this month. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this particular project and how to participate in it to earn their token. I can also follow them on their Twitter handle by just following the link to their Twitter handle, or even search for republic/gg. You will find it in their Twitter handle. But before going further, if this is your first time coming over to this channel, hey, my name is Zubi King and this is ZBK Crypto. My channel is where I drop updates about new cryptocurrency that is coming out and how to participate in them. It is free and it's always very legit because I take my time to analyze and make research on the projects which I'm actually promoting on this my channel, so that as I'm earning, people will earn from me. And all I need from you guys is to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. You subscribing to my channel is just a way of making me a friend on YouTube and also increasing my followers rate. And I'm pleading with you guys to help me reach 5k subscribers. I need just minimum of 50 subscribers to reach up to 5k subscribers, and I will really appreciate it from you guys. And don't forget to drop a like. It gives YouTube a signal that this video is actually giving people value, and that is why people are liking the video, which is not going to cost you any single thing apart from just you clicking on the link screen as you are watching this video right now. And then last but not least, tell me whatever you think in the comment section so that I will know what you guys think about the project I promote. And without further ado, let's dive into the main video of the day. So all you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video and then come over to this particular app. You're going to download it from Play Store or Apple Store depending on what the phone you are using. So once you're done downloading it, registering your account, which is very easy once you are using your Google account. So what you have to do once you're done with it is to log into your account and go ahead and look for all the ways to earn their XP, because they are going to airdrop it soon according to what they are saying in their Twitter handle. You can see it on the pinned tweet that they made over here. It says both RPK listing and airdrop have been confirmed for November. Slight airdrop delay due to implementation of additional anti-bot measure. So that means that they are deleting accounts of people that they are doing multiple accounts with robots to earn more of the token. So they say that they are doing that is the reason why they delayed the airdropping of our coin to us. So that means we still have hope of earning from the airdrop in the XP points we are getting from the app. So back in the app, there are several ways of earning XP in the app, so you can check out the several ways. So let's go over to the several ways where you can earn the XP by logging into your account every single day. Just for logging in every day, you are going to be giving you 20 XP in your account every single day. So as you can see, it says I just earned 26 XP, including 6 XP for badge bonus for using the app today. So just for using the app, you're getting 20 XP every single day. But if you increase your XP amount, they will be giving you for your badge. So as you can see, I'm having a golden badge over here, and I'm currently having 9,643 pieces of their XP. So you can also earn XP for following for every followers you gain every single day, maximum of 50 XP. So you can also gain 5 XP for giving people like on their post, which is very easy. So you can also get 10 XP for receiving 10 likes a day, 10 XP for casting 10 votes a day, and other ones you can receive up to 500 XP for challenge for winning. So you can do all these things by going over to your home page over here and then begin to like people's posts. You can also post so that people will like yours, because everybody is looking for a way to earn XP. So you can easily post or like people's posts, follow more people, and make sure you're following people that loves to follow people. So once people follow me, I will always try my best to follow them. So for this person normally loves to follow people, and I will try my best to follow them. So it's very simple. And also, if you kind of log in every single day to the project, to the app every day for 7 good days, they're gonna give you this particular as you can see, I just reached the 7 days and they gave me a surprise bonus. So what you have to do, once you successfully log into the app, for 7 good days you are going to click on this particular place that says claim, and let's see how many XP that gave me. So as you can see, they just gave me 135 XP on my account. So I have completed it, and now I'm now having 9,777 XP, and just few XP for me to reach the to 10k and increase my badge. So that is it. I don't have much thing to say, but try your best to engage on it. This is a very good project, and you don't really need to stress yourself earning XP from it, and also stress yourself in participating in it. And whatever you're doing in it, at least you know that the project is legit. So that is it. That is all for the video. I hope you guys got value from it, and if you got value from it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more updates, and remain profitable. My name still remains King, and this is Bybit Crypto. See you guys in my next video once again. Bye.